Here are some simple tricks for looking after your wipers. Find the matching wiper blade for your car. Put the wipers in service position and remove the old wiper blade. To avoid damage to the windshield, place a separator between the glass and the wiper arm. Check the packaging for the correct installation procedures for your vehicle. Make sure the wipers click into place. The new wiper blades are now ready to go. Clear insects, pollen, or sap from windshield and wiper blade, especially during spring and autumn. Don't let the wipers run too long when dry. Don't forget to turn off the rear wipers. Remove leaves before wiping. When temperatures drop below zero, lift the wipers off the windshield and place a cover between them. And never operate the wipers over a frozen windshield. Make sure to keep your wiper blades and windshield clean from dirt. Wax on the windshield can affect the wiping performance. Remove with cleaning agent. It is recommended to check your front and rear wipers once a year. Inspect the rubber for any signs of cracking, deformation, or other damage. Should streaks show up in your field of view, change your wipers as soon as possible. If patches of water remain, chatter marks, or haze occurs, the wipers need to be changed immediately. Streak marks influence your vision, especially while driving at night. As you can see, with the right care for your wiper blades from Bosch, it's pretty easy to keep a clear view, so that your mind is free to focus on what's ahead.